been a little over a week since the Minion Cafe, Freeze Ray Pops, Bake My Day, the Illumination Theater meet and greet, and Pop Banana has opened, and I'm back to try some more food. Today I have a spot in the kitchen, and I am not going to mobile order. I'm going to actually go over there, just because I just don't like mobile ordering. I guess I'm just an old man. Oh, jeez. Oh, my knees. Oh, my back. For my beverage, I've chosen the Antidote. Now, I've tried both the PX41 and the Antidote, and obviously it's the one I prefer. But they're both really good. The PX41, hope I'm saying that right, does have Pop Rocks, but the way it's inside of the whipped cream and the drink kind of pre-pops them for you, if that makes sense. You don't get the explosions in your mouth as much, which is good, because I don't really like it.
Here you go.
You got
The unicorn.
and the cupcake, because I didn't try the cupcake the first time.
Yeah. You need some, you need anything else?
Oh, I'm good, thanks. I want to know, how fluffy is it? Now, it might seem like a small detail, but for a quick serve restaurant to serve with this nice, almost diva paper towel-like napkins, I appreciate it. It's a little step up from what you usually find at a quick serve restaurant. Nice. This is Mel's Meatball Mountain. I see I've already had a half of it. It's definitely better than Mel's drive-in food. I'm guessing I've actually never eaten there, but it's definitely better than Louis'. I've had their meatball sub and their pizza. Not that great. This, I think, is pretty good. It's higher quality than a lot of the quick serve restaurants around here, I believe. I like the cheese balls. I'm getting into you pretty soon. Again, I do like the cheese balls, but the cheese that's baked inside is also really good. And there are actually meatballs in it as well. So they're not just on the top. First time I cut into one, I thought maybe it had fallen next to it, but nope. They're inside as well. Recently, Bret has tried the food here as well. He sent me some clips of his reviews. Let's look at those.
I give this a 5 out of 5 bananas. And for being purple. So when this was Monsters, this would be the side I'd be on. So it's kind of fitting. And I got one to try it out. And we'll see if I enjoy it. I really don't like banana. I don't know how this place is going to survive. Many people don't like banana flavoring. I'm hoping it's good. Let's try it out. To me, there's a lot more whipped cream in this versus the PX41. And I also don't like banana. So I would not get this again. Me personally. Going back, talking about review of what I think about this restaurant. It's gonna do good, obviously. That cheese ray steak sandwich, ooh, that was good. I ain't gonna lie. This, however, is not that great. I don't like it. Also, you get the Minion tots. No matter what you do, they are worth the extra dollar in your meal. Yeah. I give this sandwich and this drink I give 0 bananas. But the sandwich I give 5 out of 5 bananas. Tots 5 out of 5 bananas. Okay, bye.
All right, thank you very much to Bret. Now it's time for the cupcake, which is so fluffy! As I expected, the pouring on the unicorn is white chocolate, but the rest of it is icing. But what I didn't expect is it comes in a plastic cup. The paper cup just goes around the plastic cup. So the icing is banana flavored. There's also icing on the bottom. It's kind of that artificial banana flavor though that you get from like a runt. But the cake is also banana flavored. Probably the same flavoring. I don't know. For some reason, the cake flavoring tastes better to me. You also may have noticed, but it is confetti cake as well. This room is the kitchen. Now, I wish they had used screens. I know people say, oh, there's too many screens at Universal. This is a good time to use a screen to make this all animated instead of just a still. It also looks sort of blown out to me, but having all that animated would be pretty cool, like in a loop. Now, something I noticed on the first day of soft opening, but only after I was editing, you'll notice that me up there is missing a shoe because all these pipes, they look like ventilation ducts, but apparently it's more like a bank where food comes through the pipes. And in this case, a minion came through. And the food's supposed to be coming down this, although we have, I forget what the bear's name is, but on the platter. And again, minion missing a shoe. There's the missing shoe. And a definite look of disapproval. I know these minions have names. I don't really know them that well, sorry. Not really sure what's going on with these machines. A little bit of Mystery Science Theater 3000. But I do know that's a banana slicer. For real thing, you could buy those. Some more decorations, of course, lots more yellow. Hello. Noodle bowl. Also, if I remember correctly, this was a full wall. I'm pretty sure this wasn't as open as it is now. And again, here's some of the food that is being sent to the chute. As BioReconstruct pointed out, here are all the food orders that are coming into the kitchen. So it's not just food that goes through here, it's also the orders. Over in this room, I do believe the windows have been added. I don't remember if there were windows here before. I should probably know that, but I've only ever been here at night. Really nice theme, of course. Also recently spotted the banana peels from Super Nintendo World. Obviously, they also fit in here. More food here, which is interesting. They don't even have coffee cups here, as far as I know. You can also hear there's some audio theming. Which is pretty awesome. With appropriate audio processing to make it sound like it's coming through the pipe. Apparently they didn't record a whole lot because it's on a tight loop. And one more look at the break room. Complete with motivation posters. I say one more look as if say one more look, assuming that you watched my original video. If you haven't, you can look at that. There's a sundae that would definitely not work in a vending machine. Coffee? I'm sorry, I don't know the name of the bear. I should probably. I'm standing in my own light. Now, I believe there is some actual motivation here because, I mean, come on, let's be fair. They could have just handed the box of pasta, but they put it on a tray, a little bit of garnish on there, nice little bit of sauce. See, there's some motivation there. There's some effort. This guy's just, you know, expecting too much, that's all. And if you didn't see my first video, they reserved a drawer just for me. And then, of course, there's also the obligatory cork board. This is at least the second or third cork board theme. I think there are some in the attraction we will not speak of, but there's also one in San Francisco. Villain card. If you have found my rubber ducky, let me know. As you can see, that's my number. I am looking for my rubber ducky. I can't find rubber ducky. I miss rubber ducky. So that is my phone number. There's some jokes here. Pay period ending, never. Belly clock. June 4th, I don't know if that if there's any significance in that, but June 7th, May 29th. Well, great trip again to the Minion Cafe. As far as I know, there aren't any Easter eggs at all from a Monsters Cafe here because of the contract with Illumination. Even though I thought I remember Universal buying Illumination, but they're too strict with all the things not dissimilar to Warner Brothers and J.K. Rowling controlling everything in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. It's unfortunate. I would like to see even a very obscure reference to something that just like kind of looks like something from Monsters, but I don't know. I couldn't find anything. But thanks for joining me again at the Minion Cafe. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.